Hello guys, this is Janet Patel. Today I will show you Redmi Note 5 Pro unboxing. Today I received this from Flipkart. You can see this is the product which I got from Flipkart today itself. So let's not take much time and let's start unboxing first. So let me unboxing it. So mm, okay. You can see this what we are getting inside. So this is a smart box packing which we get from Redmi. So and you can see over there India's number one smartphone brand they have mentioned. This device contains 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage with Snapdragon 636 chipset, 12 plus 12 rear camera and 20 megapixel front facing camera. So okay, so let's start unboxing. Okay, so let me first of all remove this. So this is totally sealed pack. So first of all we need to crack it and let's open it. Okay, nice packing it is. Okay, so finally we opened it. So let's see what we are getting. So we are getting a back cover from MI, and it is in black color, which is very good in quality. You can say it's premium one, but it's very good. And this is a front facing smartphone, so you can see. We'll keep this phone to side and let's see what other accessories we are getting inside. This is some user guide we are which we are not reading it. Okay, and this is a USB to micro USB cable, and this is the charger adapter. It contains output of 5 volt. This is not basically a fast charger, but yes, mobile support fast charging as well. Okay, and let's see what other we are getting. This is sim tray eject tool we are getting inside this box. So this is the things what we are getting inside. So let's look at the phone. So it's nice looking phone with the good quality as well. So you can see the front as well. This is nice and very lightweight. Okay, so let's start it. So it will take some time to reboot. Okay, so okay, so you can see now mobile is started. So currently it is running on Nougat. So let's check about phone what we are getting. So it contains 4 GB of RAM and 64 of internal. From 64 we are getting 52.43 GB space available. Rest is used by operating system. Okay, and here you can see we are getting 7.1.1 Nougat Android, and it might be possible we'll get Oreo update as well. So this is the thing which we are getting inside the box. This is device, USB charger, and adapter. Okay, and in my next video, I will uh, give you one trick how to book a Redmi Note 5 Pro on Flipkart with 100% security. So don't miss my next video. So to get notification of my next video, please subscribe my channel.